slime. Let's
Look
go.
at the color.
I love this color. Of course, we will add this water, guys. Little pinches.
Oh my god! Look at the color.
And now we'll first add foam, then we will add cheese.
Yeah.
She's not strong enough. Okay, enough! Okay, enough! No. Add more. Okay, enough, then we will add after that.
Okay.
Why are you making weird noises? Can you mix it? You're so...
Look at
Slow.
the just enjoy it. It's looking so yummy.
Bro, what do you mean by that? You wanna eat that?
Yeah.
You think it's enough?
I don't think.
That's enough. Now we will show you from close. There's how it looks like. We are going to add borax. Okay?
Can you add some more?
No.
Oh my, there's my dream slime. Get this slime.
The first time we met that wasn't good, but this one is...
It's the
You can tell, like...
Hey guys, look at my slime.
Did you like it? Leave a comment. And
You wanna play with this slime?
how is the color? If you want more videos like this, let me know in the comments.
Yeah.
Bye! See you guys.